in with me as I make purple sweet potato juice, and I label this purple passion juice. So here I have my vegetables all cut up, all cleaned. I actually cleaned these in baking soda and water, and then I peeled them and I set them aside for a minute. So I have 3 purple sweet potatoes, 4 or 5 carrots, and 3 of the golden beets. So the first thing with juicing is you want to make sure that you have all your material. You want to make sure that you have your juicer out and available. You want to make sure you have your strainer. Okay, if you like your juice with no pulp, then you want to make sure that you strain this. And I'm going to show you how I did that. My favorite spoon, because when we strain, now I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to freeze this and use this in my smoothie tomorrow. This is some good nutrients here, and it's a lot of fiber. This is the carrot, the cucumber, the lime, the skin of the lime, the beet, the orange beet, and most importantly, the purple sweet potato. So don't throw away your pulp.
Say a thing, they ain't got shit to say. Moving funny, watch me move right out the way.